how to know other viewers on Facebook. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. So first of all, obviously you need to open up your Facebook. So here, if you have added any story and see your viewers, so in the bottom you can see there's one person who viewed your story, but you cannot see the person. For knowing that, you have to simply go back, and after that you have to click on the profile icon with 3 dotted horizontal line in the right upper corner, and from here you have to scroll down below and tap on settings and privacy. After that, go through settings, and in the search bar you have to tap and search for story settings. So here you can see the story settings is here, and after that you have to go through story privacy. So here you can see the custom option, so you have to simply click on custom, and when you swipe to the right you can see the people. So these are the person who viewed your Facebook story, and from this simple step you will be able to know others in your Facebook story. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.